Richo, you know I love the gym. And the great thing is, if you go to the gym, you know, especially in the evening, you don't have too much of a window to eat big, heavy food. You want to have something light, protein-rich. Omelette's where it's at.
This is not a problem I have very often.
Oh, is it not? No. We spend our evenings a bit differently, do we? Well, I'm going to show you something new then. I'm going to do a 5-egg omelette here. So this is made to share. But this is wonderful because if you use eggs, they are, well, one, delicious, but they are a very bioavailable source of protein. What that means is your body really likes to absorb them. So it's fantastic, really, really good. You feel very full up. Your muscles will really, really help you. Your cells will go, your cells will go, thank you. So it's a fantastic thing. So we've got 5 really good, high quality, organic if you can go, and free range, of course, eggs is what we want here. So we're going to whisk this one up. Now, I did say this was going to be a gourmet omelette because I'm going to make a few tiny little changes that will make a big difference. Well, for one, I'm going to put some lovely amount of parsley in there. So all my herbages. So we'll kind of turn our omelette from yellow to green. Wonderful stuff.
Got some olives here as well.
That's it. And I'm going to mix it with some sour cream instead of cream or milk or water, whatever you normally add on there. So about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. It gives it that nice, sourness. It's absolutely delicious. So I'll mix that one up together. So I've got some black olives. I think it doesn't get more gourmet to the palate than an olive. It's just such a savoury adult flavour. Now I'm just going to season a bit. So some Murray River salt flakes, generous amount there, and some cracked black pepper, rich in antioxidants, so we want to make sure we get our pepper.
Olives straight in?
Olives straight in there, please. Now, I've just got to get this pan on. Now, the key to a really, really good omelette is to make sure that you have a very high-quality non-stick pan. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Nice low and slow with the heat here. We want that egg to slowly cook, not burn and then not be set in the middle there. So you can add some of that spinach into there. Yes, please.
There'd be black eggs, wouldn't they, if we burnt them?
There'd be black eggs and we don't want that, do we? Now, I just got a bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just make sure the whole pan is coated. Now, you can use coconut oil too, or you can even use ghee if you want to, but I do think extra virgin olive oil is how we get those lovely, lovely good fats. Look at that. We've added so much nutrition in there, barely reminiscent of an egg omelette, isn't it?
I feel like running off to the gym now. It's so nutritious.
I knew that was going to happen.
No.
One day, one time.
One day.
So we're just going to put this one onto this pan, and you want to spread it all out nice and even. Just get a spatula to hand. Now, of course, egg works quick, so you need to work quick. So we just want the bottom of it to just start setting. Okay, so I've got some goat's cheese there, and I just want you to crumble it on the top. I'm going to take it off the heat now, because that's perfect on the bottom. And I've got the oven on a nice kind of hot grill, because simply I just want to melt this goat's cheese. Handle off. Too easy. Perfect. That smells so good. Warm goat's cheese. Lovely stuff. Now, it's a really easy way to pimp out your omelette even more so with a big amount of rocket. Just get a big load right in the middle there. I mean, it's already gone gourmet the moment you put a big handful of rocket, right? Some radishes, one of my absolute favourites. I simply eat these with just a bit of Murray River salt flakes dipped in. So delicious, so refreshing, and obviously looks gorgeous too, doesn't it?
Rosie, if you think it's gourmet with the rocket on there, wait till you put my thinly sliced radish on there. That's gourmet.
I see your radish and I raise you. You wait until I put a little bit, and I say a little bit, of truffle oil on there too. I did say this was gourmet. I saved this for my favourite people.
I love the truffle.
Cracked black pepper.
It's got an amazing smell to it already.
Oh, it's fantastic, isn't it? So you ready? I'm going to cut you a nice slice. You're just going to get stuck in, aren't you?
I am.
I know it.
Here you're being polite and cutting a nice little wedge. I'm just going to pull a piece out of the back here with some goat's cheese in it, and I've got a bit of that truffle oil. The truffle oil is really, really strong and powerful. It's probably, if not everyone likes it, but I love it. It's got a great flavour to it.
Strong and powerful, like my omelette making skills. That is delicious. Isn't that yum?
That's really good. I love the olives in there. Spinach has got a bit of crunch still. The goat's cheese is really smooth and creamy, and I reckon that takes it up another notch. And it's a great meal and a salad as well. 2 meals for the price of one. I think this is a cracker. But wait till you try my curry.
I think now I just got to get you in the gym.
No.